It was a justified move, Robinson hitting the post almost immediately and then firing in a late winner with just 6 minutes to go. Even with the disappointment of learning that Bolton had won, Lee's men could still be proud of a well-earned 3 points and 7th position yet again at the end of a hard-fought campaign.
Naylor now slides one in. Akinbaye off the post by Robinson. Vale caught flat again. Over it comes, over the heads of everyone. Naylor again takes it out wide, centres it in. And this time, Robinson didn't need a second invitation to put the ball in the back of the net.